How to get started with eBay, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our eBay tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the basics of using eBay, whether you're buying or selling. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up your account. First, you need to create an eBay account. Head over to ebay.com and click on the Register button. Fill in your personal details, create a password, and you're all set. If you already have an account, just sign in. Step 2. Navigating the homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see the eBay homepage. Here you can search for items, browse categories, and see personalized recommendations. Step 3. Searching for items to find what you're looking for. Use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords and press enter. You can also filter results by category, price range, condition, and more. Step 4. Buying an item. When you find an item you like, click on it to see the details. Check the item description, seller's rating, and shipping options. If you're ready to buy, you can either place a bid, make an offer, or use the Buy It Now option for immediate purchase. Step 5. Selling an item. To sell an item, click on the Sell button at the top of the homepage. You'll need to provide a detailed description, photos, and set your price. You can choose between auction-style listings or fixed-price listings. Step 6. Managing your account. Keep track of your buying and selling activities through the My eBay section. Here you can view your purchase history, manage your listings, and communicate with buyers and sellers. Step 7. Tips for success. For a successful eBay experience, remember these tips. 1. Always check seller ratings and reviews. 2. Write clear and honest item descriptions. 3. Provide excellent customer service. 4. Stay informed about eBay's policies. That's it for our eBay tutorial. We hope this guide helps you navigate eBay with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy buying and selling!